Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I am coming back with a doozy. My family and I went on a cross-country adventure this summer. We did 9,146 miles through 27 states in 33 days, and I drove the entire bit from my wheelchair in my Chevy Traverse. Now this video you're getting ready to see is a compilation of videos and pictures throughout the entire trip. They're in no specific order. I just wanted to show you what we did through the trip and how the Traverse handled the terrain we went through. You'll see how we're loaded down. We have luggage on the roof. We have luggage obviously in the rear of the car where the hatch comes open. My lift and vent inside, which again you'll see in the video. But what you're not seeing is we have coolers, other bags stuffed in the areas that you can't see on the video. The car is pretty well loaded. It's heavy by itself, but we had absolutely no trouble. We drove down the road, did not bottom out anywhere. The car just pulls. A lot of places the speed limit is 80 miles an hour, and that car did it without a problem. But throughout the entire trip, the worst thing we got was we had a hole in a tire, but we got it fixed. Never had a problem after that. I did get a red light ticket in Washington State, which that was the only infraction I had. This is my buddy here, Harley, on my lap. For some reason he needs to sit with me today. If you're not a member of my channel, please like and subscribe for all future updates, and please share my videos. Show other people with disabilities that you can travel and have a lot of fun. Again, we did over 9,000 miles in 33 days in a Chevy Traverse built by Braun Ability, which I bought from Mobility Works using Paravan hand controls. They are phenomenal. The car basically drove itself. You get out on an open highway, hit the cruise, and boom, off it goes. Just ran great. There are two drawbacks that I've seen on it. One, it's low, but that's going to go with any kind of wheelchair vehicle you buy because they have to drop the floor. Now, I did not bottom out driving, but when I mean it's low is if you drive over speed bumps, depending on how high it is, you're going to rub. The other thing too is I think the gas tank is a little small. But again, we were really heavy. I think our average miles per gallon was like 17. So I appreciate you checking it out. And again, like, share, subscribe, enjoy the video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You are Rolling with Henry. Okay, everybody, well, we're off. We're all loaded up. It is 4:40 a.m. on Sunday morning.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh,
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all you amazing dads.
There you are. And we are on our way, baby. Demonstrate that right now. I'm driving down the road, but yeah, it can't happen just that easy. But beautiful day out so far. We're expecting to hit some bad weather. Hopefully we don't, but more to come. So we're still on the road, but as you can see, I'm not wearing my vent. It's gonna be a long day. Started struggling a little bit. But now, I'm riding straight. You should see the looks I'm getting from people driving down the road. They're looking at me all crazy. But it doesn't happen by driving at all. So that's a great thing about having a handicap van. It's got a plug in it. It's just like having a wall.
going to take it out and dunk it and make sure there's no cuts in it.
Had a little tire trouble. We get the tire check. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. That's my brother. Alright, so update. Tire problem has been fixed. I've been on the road probably about 30 minutes. And we are headed out across west, across Texas. But check out this view. What more can you say? Awesome scene. So this part right here is called the Virgin River Gorge. The reason I put it in is because it's extremely steep. It's a 6% grade with a speed limit of 75. I didn't do anywhere close to that, but the Traverse handled it very well. Again, my car is extremely heavy, which shows off the characteristics of any other car, plus everything that was loaded in it. But the Traverse, again, handled it extremely well. Very well made car. We are driving across the Hoover Dam right now. I am on the top of the Hoover Dam as I am taking this video. Parking structure here at the Hoover Dam. What you're not seeing in this part is how tight it is when I'm making these turns and driving out of this structure. That's why I thought it was important to show this part in this video, because it goes to the handling of the car and how touchy those controls are and how responsive they are. So yeah, unfortunately the context didn't come through, but it's extremely tight. So we just entered Yellowstone National Park, and this is the kind of roads we're going to be on today. Pretty interesting. There's a buffalo in the middle of the road. Can you see it? Alright, situation update. We are in South Dakota. Well, here we are. Historic Main Street in Deadwood. There he is. That's his grave right there. But unfortunately, in my chair I couldn't get there. It is just too steep. And it's all dirt. And it's like mud. So I couldn't get up to it. Came all this way, and I didn't get to see the grave. We have arrived in Pennsylvania. We are now in Sunbury, Pennsylvania, close to the town where I grew up. And we are going to one of the greatest places to eat on the planet. If you're ever in Sunbury, you have to go to the Squeeze Inn. Here it is. Folks, well, the trip is over. We are pulling in home base as we speak. We had a whole lot of fun, saw a whole lot of stuff, and you're videoing out the window, so forget it.
I'm not.
Yes, you were.
No, I'm not here.
You were videoing out the window.
Yeah, hello? Really? Okay, I'll talk to you later after you get out of
Hi, Niner. Hi. What?